I touch, that's fine for you. I do that 3 4 times again, I testify for you.
Welcome to the vlog, guys. I'm Coleen. If you're new, if you're not new, welcome back. It is Tuesday. It's Independence Day here in Jamaica. I'm starting the vlog off here. Yesterday I think I put a clip in where I went back to the nail salon to get my toes polished. I didn't get to polish my toes the last time I went because I had another engagement. So she squeezed me in. I'm gonna get my toes polished last night. So now today I'm not too long woke up, did some more at the time at, which is why I sweat so much, if you can't see. So now it's after 12 and I'm about to have my first meal of the day, which is gonna be 2 boiled eggs, as I showed you guys. Well, I will show you guys. Yes, I'm gonna finish up doing some work. I will probably go on the road later, I'm not sure. So I'm gonna just have my 2 little eggs. I'm actually like my eggs more runny than this. These are really too hard, well, harder than I like. Everybody really upset with me about that, so I'm nasty and whatever, but me, I like soft boiled eggs. So I'm gonna have those eggs and tidy up the kitchen for a bit and then go back to work. And yeah, I'm gonna see you guys later. Yeah guys, it's a lot later, so I'm about to make some dinner. I'm about to make dinner for myself. I'm just gonna do a slice of fish in the air fryer and 2 green bananas, and I have an avocado, so I'm gonna cut a slice, of course. Let me show you. I got an avocado yesterday, so I'm gonna put a slice as well with my fish and my banana. So I'm gonna show you the fish so far. I'm about to season it and then put it in the air fryer and then make a little sauce for it, and that will be
Even when I'm sitting there alone all by myself, it's different when I think you might be with somebody.
Guys, it's Friday. Don't ask, just work with it, alright? I'm so sorry I haven't been picking up the camera, but honestly, I'm not doing nothing. I'm really literally doing nothing. But today I'm doing something. Alright, today is my friend's birthday, so we're gonna go to have lunch. Also a few of us at a restaurant to have lunch. So I mean, for choose a restaurant, I might try for choose an outfit as well. I ordered her a cake, right? But she doesn't know. She says she's never gotten a cake before and whatever. She just said that, you know, regular conversation. So I picked it out because everybody deserves a cake at least once. And I know her favorite cake is sugar and spice cake. So I ordered one of those. So I think I'm gonna collect it. I think it's smarter to collect it before the restaurant, but I don't know how I'm gonna get to do that. Yeah, so back to the cake. I think it would be smarter to collect it before the restaurant, but I have no assistants to do that. Like, nobody could have go collect it for me, so I can't hide it or nothing of that sort. So I don't know how would I get it for come at the restaurant. I still try to figure that out. I'm still trying to figure that out. And I'm gonna do my lashes. I want to leave by 1 o'clock. I'm still trying to figure that part out. So we still try iron out them little part there. But I'm gonna still get dressed and well, I'm gonna still try to get ready. I'm not gonna wear any makeup because this heat is the heat. Makeup and that heat are not go together none at all. So I'm not gonna do the makeup. Gonna show you guys the outfit when I get dressed, and I'm going to when I'm ready, I'm gonna let you guys know. If I have any updates on the cake, I will let you guys know that as well. So I'll take a picture. Come.
Come rewind, girl, I get the money where fi make you mine, oh. If you loving every night fi make you mad, oh. Now only you give me love and make me nice, oh, nice, oh, nice, oh. I fi make you mine, oh. When I love you, plus I never make you minus. If I let you smoke it, you gon' lose my lighter. If you paranoid, then I'ma spend the night. Think that I love you every day. Diamond dancing, my money I go pay. For your love I go pay. Can I make it money, Jason? I feel this for you every day. When you call, run it back on me play. For your love I go pay. For your love I go play. Psycho, make a traffic psycho.
I disagree.
Make you sing to the mic. You can utilize, if I say I love you, then I tell you like so. Show you everything that I have tonight. True that, take you utilize, girl, when we talk, we go reach by give you many things, we put them make you dance, so girl, make you back up with the standing mic. Ring and he never call you back, you should leave him. Let me put some money in your bag. You don't need what I mean is if he do you bad or breathe. It ain't where you been, girl, it's where you at, where you at. And I love you every day. I'm a dancer, my money I go pay.
Happy Saturday, guys. I am about to go to my shipping company to collect a few packages, and of course we're gonna do a little holly haul. But yesterday was good. It was a good day. Funny enough, I didn't get to get the cake because while I'm on my way I got Sugar and Spice, the roadblock, they said that there was some shooting or whatever, so I didn't get to collect the cake, and that was just that. Like, literally that swim against the current yesterday with that cake. So she didn't get a cake. I was so disappointed. Like, so she didn't get a cake, and I was so disappointed, like, because I was looking forward to, you know, doing that for her. But there'll be other times to do that. So I'm not going to, you know, beat up myself. But all in all, yesterday was a good day. I think she enjoyed her birthday, and she went out in the night with her friends and whatever, so I'm sure she had fun with that and stuff like that. So as I'm saying, I go pick up the packages. Me never, honestly, like, it's almost 12 o'clock, and I woke up this morning with the intention to go to church. I even got dressed for church. Then no, before that, I start feel pain and whatever. I realized say monthly, right? All right, fine. I still work with the monthly, you know. I say I still go church, right? Lie down a little bit, take a pill, and you know the pain calm down a little bit. So I say I still go church, right. Then now my son him know saying belly I hurt him. After we get dressed and everything, the young man decides say in belly I hurt him, right?
Mommy.
So now, late as ever, then the place overcast. But I said, what a point for me. And then we just like, oh my God, let me just not. Okay, let me just nuts, because me I swim against the current again for fight for end up. Some just say, you know what, me just know about that go and thing and whatever, but I have some packages that I need for today, and I have a couple of videos that I have to make, so I'm gonna collect the packages, and then when I get back, show you guys what's inside. So let's just go do that, guys, and then we'll close out the vlog because I don't know today is Saturday. So let's go. Just I leave the house, so when I get there I will let you guys know. Guys, I'm at the shipping company, so I'm gonna run and collect the packages and come right back. So I'm back home. So I actually opened one of the packages in the car, so we're gonna do a quick unboxing. So I started to open this one in the car. This big one is from Shein, and I got a vacuum for the car. So this is the one I opened. Come, I'll have to test it out. And it's pretty good. It's pretty good actually. So it's pink, and it comes with this part and some other little parts to, you know, do. So that's that for that one. So I'm gonna look at the other items in the Shein package. I don't think everything in there is mine. Most of them. No. Well, we'll see. So I got this is a part of the buy one get must say 4 free things. So yeah. So I got these for free. So it's a set with 2 of these little shorts. I got them for like, you know, little errands or whatever. It's like some linen vibe. It gives me a linen vibe, and it has the kind of ruffle top here. Cute with a little bodysuit or whatever, just to run a little errand, the supermarket or whatever. So there's that. And then I got, this is a duvet cover that I've got as well. I'm going to put the picture on the screen so you guys can see how it looks. But it comes with 2 pillowcases and the duvet cover, and I got 2 of those. So I got this one as well. I will also put the picture on the screen for this one. Really cute. So that's that for that package. This is another Shein package. But this is not buy one get nothing. I think I wanted an outfit for a brunch, even though the brunch gone already. But yeah, so I just added these phone cases for my phone because it was like 80 cents or something. And I got this milk frother. You already know the coffee is gonna be late. And I got this romper. I'm gonna put this on the screen again so you can see how it look, but I'm still gonna show you. Here it is. It's super cute. I wonder if it can fit me. Hey, whoa, but it's so cute though. Father God, me I beg you, please shrink my waist, make it can fit me. Cause it look like it can fit me. Me I be honest with myself. This don't look like it can fit me. But yeah, cute. Hope it fits. The next, no, I don't know. I don't think this is a Shein package. I think this is from one of the luxury brand replica sellers. This seller has been in my skin. Promoter over here, Nationality for that. So it's from this brand, and it's a never full. A big one. Quality is good. So this is it, guys. It's just a never full tote. Really good quality and stuff. So yeah, here's that. And lastly, it's gonna be this Amazon package. I already know what it is. just look, I'm not sure whether it's skincare. One skincare for me. So I got my son's school bag and his lunch bag. I'm not sure no. I got mechanical pencils. He requested mechanical pencils, so I got a pack. I also got a pack of my favorite pencils. And of course I re-upped on my Panoxyl face wash. I think that's it. And I think that's it guys for the unboxing. So I'm gonna start out this mess because I've made a whole mess right here with the two little package them. So I'm gonna sort that out. I'm going to close the vlog out here. It is now, well, I'm gonna close the vlog out here. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe, and of course invite a friend over to watch and join the fam. I know say this week barely pick up the vlog. It's barely a weekly vlog. It's like a few days in my life, but it's still the same week, so that's what we're calling it. Okay, it's a weekly vlog. So I'm gonna see you guys in the next vlog. Next week I have a lot of stuff to do, so you guys will see. And of course, thanks again for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.
Why my bad bitches?
I'm pretty than a motherfucker. Hoes be looking okay.